In this video, we're going to show you how to properly clean the inspection lens on the front of your CFS 2300. Step number one, you want to go ahead and hit the system stop button on the front panel. That way it will kill the power to the machine. Once that's done, you are safe to move on to the next step. Most likely, you should be able to grab this item with your hand. Make sure that it is not hot from a previous case because it does get warm. Once you've made sure it's not hot, go ahead and remove it by going counterclockwise. And then once you start getting to the end, slow down and make sure that when you're about to remove it, that your hand is underneath in case this lens tries to fall out. All right, once you have it safely off, take out the lens, remove the two gaskets, set off to the side, and then using just simple Windex or any window cleaner, spray it on and clean it off with a paper towel. All right, once everything's nice and dry and clean, make sure you put one gasket on each side of the glass lens. And then slowly start to twist it back on, going clockwise. And we do not want to over tighten this because you can crack the window. Once it's tight, just snug it nicely with your hands. And that's how you clean the window on your CFS 2300.